Hello and welcome back. Is the ChefsTemp Final Touch X10 Instant Read Thermometer the absolute best barbecue thermometer on the market? We're going to find out and prove it one way or another in this video. Hit that subscribe button down there. Check this out. First, I'd like to thank the people at ChefsTemp for being the channel sponsor and sponsoring this video. And I've got two of these to use. One we're going to review and put through a series of real-world tests. The other one we're giving away on the Venison Facebook group page. That'll be linked down in the description below. The Final Touch X10 thermometer is the fastest reading thermometer in the world with readings at 1 second. And we're going to put it through some of these real-world tests to show you. None of the other instant read thermometers have all the features that the Final Touch X10 does. And we're going to go through all of that, test it out, cook some food with it, and show you how this thing does. As usual, links to everything in this video is in the description below. Let's get started. All right, so here it is in the box. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. All right. We have a box in a box. And a nice little magnet with a temperature guide on there. Here's the unit in the box. Pretty cool looking there. All right. Little instruction manual there. We'll get to that. Little battery compartment on the back. Turn power on to open, or open to turn power on. All right. Wow, that's pretty quick. Showing 76 here in the kitchen. We were cooking breakfast just a little bit ago, so that's most likely very accurate. Go ahead and get that little plastic protective film off there, off the screen. All right, I like that it has a very sharp probe on the end. Small diameter probe, that's pretty cool. And here's something else I really like. The probe goes all the way to the other side. Check this out. That's right, it flips over all by itself. So if you're taking temperature with your left hand, you actually can do that and read the display instead of having to read it upside down. Also has a hold button on it, so if you're taking the temperature of something and you hit the hold button, it'll hold that temperature until you release it. Press it again to release it. Now let's see how accurate this thing is. All right, so let's check this thing in an ice bath. I don't have a way to do crushed ice, which would be best for this. But we ought to be able to do it pretty close. This has been sitting in there, this ice and water, for a couple minutes. Let's see what we end up with here. 32.3. That's it. That's pretty good. That's definitely in the close enough category, isn't it? 32.3 in the ice water bath. Not bad. All right, let's check it with boiling. All right, let's try this thing on boiling water one time. Look at there, 2 seconds. Right at it. Now, remember, boiling water test has some factors that go with it. The atmospheric pressure, how high your elevation is. So if you're pretty close to 212 and you're at 32 in ice, you know that's an accurate thermometer. All right, and just so that you know you can, check this out. With a thermometer open, you can go to the back, undo these screws, and these two buttons right here, this one is the calibration button. So you can actually calibrate this thermometer using the ice water bath to make sure that it's perfectly accurate whenever you need to do that. So check that out. 32.0. All right, y'all, check this feature out. You take a temperature of your food, you run in the house because you're in a hurry, and you set this thing down on your barbecue outside, and you run in the house and forget all about it. Once it's sat for a little bit and hasn't had a temperature change, it goes into a dim semi-sleep mode. Then if it hasn't changed 3.6 degrees or greater, and it's been sitting still for more than 3 minutes, it just shuts off completely, saving your battery so you don't burn up battery power when it's not doing anything. Then as soon as you pick it up or touch it, boom, the display automatically comes right back on. Another cool thing about the ChefsTemp X10 thermometer has a magnetic backing, so you can stick it to anything metal, much less likely to get it knocked off and broken or something like that. All right, now let's use the X10 from ChefsTemp, check the temperature. Now usually I'm right-handed, but you guys wouldn't be able to see the display right-handed. Watch this. Flip this dude over to left-hand mode, and I'm ready to check my temperatures. Display automatically rotates. Yep, that was done. We're between 175 and 180. I'm good. Yep. Look at that. This is why you need a good instant read. And this ChefsTemp X10 is about as good as it gets, especially with auto-rotating display for right or left-hand use. And that's going to be real hard to beat chicken that looks that good. About grilling some fish. You can't overcook your fish. And with this, you won't have to. 1 second readings. That one's good. That one's good. 125, 135. That one's got a little while left. So that keeps you from overcooking your food. Because you know what the temperature is without having to guess. So the skinny pieces cook a little bit quicker than the thicker pieces. This flounder ought to be getting close now. That's what I'm looking for right there. 120s to 130s. And I'm in good shape. You want to do a better job grilling your fish? Start with a good thermometer. That's about as good as it gets right there. And the IP67 waterproof rating, waterproof down to a meter. Make sure your barbecue won't get ruined if it starts pouring down rain. Totally fine. Now the really good part. With the Final Touch X10, you get all of these features in a thermometer that, as of filming this video, is $69.99 on their website. There's a direct link to that page in the description of this video. Comparing that to the Termopen at about 90 bucks when it's on sale, that is a heck of a value, and this has more features. So check the Final Touch X10 out in the links below and the other products that were used in this video. Thanks again for watching. And if you guys are watching from the Venison group, your secret squirrel password is going to be barbecue. So if you guys enter the code word barbecue down in the comments below this video, you'll get an extra entry. To get an extra entry for the giveaway, where we will give away one of these to one of you members on that group. Thanks again. See you next time.